Diwali day to all of you. I don't know how many of you are here. I was just asking, but God was telling me that quite a few of you are registered, and we were hoping that more and more would go in for this alumni. And it's always such a pleasure to have all the girls over for an alumni meet. And what's happening is that obviously as the college is growing, more and more children are passing on to college. The tribe is increasing in Abuja. More than that, I can also see that many of you are getting connected back to the college. Because once they know that the alumni is coming, there's a connect. I think those of them who may have been, are working or doing whatever outside the city are wanting to come back for the alumni meet. And I think this is a good time when you're going back before Holi, back home. So I think it's lovely. But more than anything else, it's lovely having you all back. And when I keep listening to the stories of success from Shalini ma'am, the girls doing extremely well. We've also started working a lot on the career counseling of the children of the young ladies in the college, because we really try and push them to not only get good placements but also going for higher education. Many of you, especially those who have done professional courses like BBA, take a break, work for a year or two, then their MBA, which is usually the norm. But whatever it is, it's lovely meeting girls everywhere. Even if you're traveling or moving anywhere within the city, it's so nice to meet girls. And I wonder, how is it that the college at Corona manages to do that magic of grooming you well, of really giving you those finishing touches within 3 years? 3 years is really not for a very long time. Considering that there's so much more that you all have to do. You're also getting ready for a life after that. You're also, kind of sort of applying for jobs that you're trying to work on what you need to do later. You don't manage to give too much time to the college. All the professors don't give too much time to you. Yet, I have to compliment Shalini ma'am, Rajiv sir, Anisha ma'am, all the professors of the college. And more than that, I think I want to congratulate all the girls for studying there and those who were here. You all have managed to build a beautiful career. And what I see is the magic of that career. The end product. Beautiful, confident girls. Whenever they are doing, we get very, very good reviews. We also get these reviews of not only your being good at your work or studying hard, we also get reviews of your being very high character, of giving your ideas straight, very lucid, good communication. I'm sure the schools, either Union or Sunbeam or any other school, doesn't matter. The school gave you that base, but I must congratulate the team, because I think they've given you the very right etching, the very right, polishing, because each one of you are sitting right here in front of me are diamonds in their own way. It's really nice to have you back. I really want you to keep coming back. I also want you to give industry feedback to us. Let us know, where is it that we are lacking? What is it that we could have done better? So that you would have done better in your life, in your career, or in higher education. We'll be very happy to take that feedback. Keep making a call to Shalini and Rajiv sir or Manisha, letting us know, because we are in this journey together. This is your college. This name is there on your resume. It will always remain there. Remain connected. We've also started with masters. I think many of you are may or may not know. We started with masters of RTI and course in psychology. So you should also know that the college has been growing in leaps and bounds. Please give us that important feedback. And the last thing, also while you are here, I'm sure every professor has made a difference to your life. Do go and say thank you, visit the college, go back to your classroom, meet that teacher, the professor, meet each and every support staff who made a difference in your life. That thank you will help them to perform better. Thank you for coming, keep coming, the school is yours, we'll be here always to welcome you with open arms. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for inspiring. To highlight the importance of alumni connections and the role they play in shaping future generations, we now invite Dr. Mamta Tiwari, Alumni Committee Convener
college. So 2019. How many 2019? Okay, just one. Okay, great. So first, I think that was the first batch. Okay, 1920, 2021, 22, 23. Okay. Most of you are new. 24. Okay, most of you are 24. So welcome all of you, and good to have you all with us. And as the batches get older, you start to get more and more experience with the real world. Perhaps you have either started a family or in your career you have made yourselves quite famous, and you have progressed in your career. So I'm sure that each passing year you will reflect back and see the good times you had in this college, and I'm sure this one perhaps was not there in the first couple of batches, but there's always something new. It's a need for this college. We keep adding. We want to say that our alumni network is still new, but we want to keep it getting better and better. We want that all of you should have a very good network with the alumni, the Sandeep Women's College alumni, and a lot of ideas should be shared. You should network, because whenever you network, you get new opportunities for work. I think networking is very underrated. So make sure that you take this time to network with your friends. Perhaps they are working in the same industry as you are. So you will be able to understand what kind of skills which are required, and then you can, if you want to change careers or to start or join a new company, you know that you have your friends with you. There's no better way to connect in career or even emotionally than the alumni network of your alma mater. So once again, welcome to all of you. I wish you all the very best for the future. Thank you again.
Elected by Best in Dance Performance, Lal Barse.
Thank you. independent girl who was standing there at every event, every competitions, everywhere. And it was all because this board member sitting over there and this faculty standing there. When I say this, I would also like to say that when you have a good college, you should also have a great company. And by the grace of God, I was in such a great company of my beautiful friends sitting there who also helped me in growing. No evil, no bad thoughts, just
achieved a lot. I've just freshly passed from March 2024. But coming to the milestone of getting shortlisted into 2 universities, trying to get towards moving my career to foreign, as well as scoring so high in my TOEFL exams, ISC, that was 95 scores. And that is all because of my faculty, my professors, all the staff members here. Thank you, ma'am and sir, for creating such a safe space for us all to grow and teach everything. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone, and a very, very warm welcome to all the students who have displayed their love, affection by their presence here. I know school, college, it keeps, this memory when your mind always, whenever you listen to the music you have sung, or any dances you have performed on the stage, even when you listen to this music, there will be flashback, and you can be able to smell everything around it. So these nostalgic moments will very, very often come to your mind, and they will for sure bring a smile to your face. There are also those memories of your college professors and those corridors and the picnics and so many things. All of you now are more mature than before. You have seen some part of the world and you realize that how each professor who is working here is utmost honest to the cause. Each one of them want that you should excel in life, you should perform better, you should be confident, you should be presentable in every way. Their honesty is so important, and I expect the same with whichever profession you are going into. Just keep that honesty with you. Whatever you have seen, each professor must have taught you something. And to all the girls who are sitting here, don't miss out on these opportunities. Because when you talk to the girls who have already passed out, that what is that they cherish. So they say yes, they tried so many things. They did not excel in all, but at least there was an honest try. And they will also have few regrets. And I'm sure the regrets would be, we should have done this also. Do you agree, dear girls? So to all the coming batches, I don't want you to live with regrets. Give it a try, give it a shot to everything. Right or wrong, good or bad is not important. You not trying is criminal. You have to try out when we give you opportunities to speak in the assemblies, when you have an outbound program, even when you go for social service. You should be the first one because each experience counts. And I often say, and I'll tell everyone once again, there is nothing like a bad experience. Each experience is a learning experience, and we must not let it go. To the girls who have passed out, keep coming back, keep sharing your experience, and at any point of time you feel that yes, today you can sit in the classroom and you can guide the next batch as to what they are going to witness in their life. Come and share that also. With your experience sharing with them, they will get a better perspective of life. So with these words, welcome back, and keep coming back, and take your Sunday's name to yet another heights. God bless.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your inspiring words. Your leadership continues to shape countless futures.
Before you call me, I'm already here. So, good afternoon again, everyone. And there are 7.5 billion people on this planet. All are not equal, they all have different DNA, they all have different attributes and qualities. And some can run faster, some can swim better, some can sing better, someone has very good handwriting, and somebody whom everybody says इसको कुछ नहीं आता, वो विराट कोहली बन जाता है, और वो तेंदुलकर भी बन जाता है, और वो फैमिली और किसी स्टेट पे जाके और कुछ ना हो तो एलन मस्क को बन ही जाता है. So, first of all, think of yourself, of the special attribute or quality which you have. आप में सबसे अच्छी, सबसे पावरफुल, सबसे सुंदर कौन सी ऐसी चीज है जिसको आपको बढ़ाना है? Something which you have to increase. Okay, I saw two of your seniors here, and alumni were talking about their success, they were talking about burnout. So in this Sunbeam, we just try to take out the best we do, and that doesn't mean getting good marks only. If you make a study of the students who have top 10 marks in the university, and after 10 years, 20 years, उनकी progress paper ऐसे ही किसी ने somebody tried out a research on the university toppers of Oxford, and they said that the 10 topmost academic students in life, after 25 years, they were voted to receive. It's not studies only. And for Indian students, Mummy, Papa, physics, numbers, chemistry के सवाल, sociology के number are the most important thing. And everybody says कि बच्चा बहुत पढ़ा है, इसके number 100 में से 90 आए हैं. लेकिन वो 100 में से 90 लाइफ नहीं आता. You understand that? So what is that which helps in life? And that is one line, remember that success and failure are not permanent. Okay? No success is permanent, no failure is permanent. Only the will to carry on should be permanent. Only the will, the courage to give के उठना और successful होने के बावजूद और successful करना, that is important for all of you. And for the alumni here, gather here, carry the name and fame of Sunbeam, carry the spirit of Sunbeam. The spirit of Sunbeam is to learn from everyone, to be a 360-degree achiever, to just be the best in whatever you like to do, and to work hard. Hard work is the most important thing. And if you are lazy, you can be a brilliant person. If you don't have the strength to stand and run, you will not achieve much in life. And if you want to be happy, you have to be an achiever. Achievers are happy to be, let me tell you. And if you see so many achievers, and they are always smiling and they are always happy, their family is happy. If you are an achiever, your entire family becomes an achiever's family. So with that, welcome back to the college. Sunbeam College, Vadodara is one of the few colleges which inspires students. We are lighting you up, we are not filling you up. We are not putting like a glass of water. That is not learning. You put water in the glass. That's not learning. You light a candle, that is learning. And then we had a few days back somebody, we had the celebrities in the Banaras Literature Festival, and one of them said, कि I matches study back. Okay? Diya Salai hai. What is the Diya Salai? It's a matchstick. And a small matchstick can fight the night. How? There's just a little bit of a metal, small thing put there, and on top there is some little chemical, you rub it, and that is science. That is something which took thousands of years for human beings to arrive at that place. That weapon of rubbing two stones to scare away the tigers at night, 20,000 years ago. That basic discovery. So be a matchstick and illuminate everybody around you. Each minute is precious, and and you have to make use of that opportunity. Thank you so much, Vijay.
And now the entire St. Women's College, we wish you a very happy new year. And now request the alumni to please come on this stage.
I'm Gaurav Prasad from Times of India. There was a small surprise for Bharti ma'am on the occasion of Wednesday, but unfortunately she was occupied with practice reasons. So we took the liberty to delay the program and honoring her. The reason for honoring her is we were looking for few ladies from eminent ladies from Varanasi who have achieved a significant milestone in their own genre and have contributed to the society in some form or the other. They were to the 25 nominations which were sent from Varanasi. Among those 25, 12 were selected and Bharti was one of them. So we would like to do honors. Ourselves. I just want to make all the ladies over here a little aware about the activity that we do. If you look at the logo over here, the future is she. This is totally dedicated to females who are doing something or the other and contributing in one way or the other towards the society. Please do look at it. This is a live program. Unfortunately, not this part of the program because we are already late by 2 days. Otherwise, this was a live program. This is the fourth session that we are doing on a national platform, and for the first time we are doing it in Congress. Thank you.
I would like to thank the Times of India and Roma, and Roma people are sponsoring this, for this honor. Each honor, each reward is, pushes you to do even better. And I'm sure girls who are sitting here will aspire to get something like this in the future. All the best, and thank you, Mrs. Leader, for making this experience.
zone.